Does Blender keep crashing when you open it, render a project, or work on your scenes? Crashes can happen for several reasons, including outdated software, incompatible drivers, or corrupted settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix Blender crashing issues in 2026. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Blender. Visit the official Blender website and download the newest stable release. Updates often include bug fixes, stability improvements, and compatibility enhancements. Next, update your graphics drivers. Whether you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, installing the latest driver can resolve crashes related to rendering, viewport performance, and hardware acceleration. If Blender continues crashing, try resetting its preferences. Open Blender, go to File, then Defaults, and select Load Factory Settings. Corrupted preferences or incompatible add-ons can sometimes cause unexpected crashes. If the problem happens only in certain projects, disable recently installed add-ons and simplify your scene if possible. Large textures, complex geometry, or unsupported extensions can increase memory usage and lead to crashes. Testing with a simple project can help identify the cause. Finally, open Task Manager or your System Monitor to check your available memory and CPU usage. If your computer runs out of RAM or graphics memory while working in Blender, closing background applications or upgrading your hardware may improve stability. And that's how to fix Blender crashing issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets Blender running smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Blender guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.